Copy up on the line. Please.
Oh, lechon, please. Lechon, please. Hindi ko alam meron kayong fiesta, teng-teng. Teng-teng, shrimp. Saka yun, ano ba yun?
Some pork or shake, kebab po.
O yan, isa lang, yeah. And rice, please. Rice, please. Rice, please. Yeah, isa lang. Ayan. Ano pa ba yan? Marami pa. Tama na yan.
I have a stuffed bell pepper.
Ano yan? No. No. Ano yung nasa likod?
Hipon po.
Ano?
Shrimp. That's all. Garlic shrimp.
Garlic shrimp. Okay. A few. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hindi ko alam may fiesta kayo. Yummy. Look at that. Oh. Yummy. Look at that. Yummy. And for dessert, and with all of that, there's more dessert. And it's yummy. Right there, and more yummy dessert on this side. See. Oh. Good luck with the song. Oh my goodness, you guys, there's suckling pig over there. Did you see the lechon? Wow, okay, mahal. Go get yours. Your turn. These are just mine.
Hindi, kasi binidyo mo yung pagkain eh. Kaya natagalan.
Binidyo. Meron akong Facebook. Nalimutan ko yung Mang Tomas. Nalimutan ko Mang Tomas.
Balik ka. Balik. Para makompleto.
Oo nga naman,
Sige na.
Hindi ko kahanin ko yung iba.